We who live here in Sun City, Palm Desert, will agree that our geographical area is filled with natural beauty. But just a short distance northeast of Sun City is an active earthquake fault. The video which you are about to see was produced by the Emergency Preparedness Committee of Sun City, Palm Desert for the sole purpose of showing our residents how to turn off their utilities during and after an emergency. Your home may have these utility controls placed slightly different locations other than the ones shown in this video. Therefore, you need to locate your utilities before an emergency occurs. If after watching this video you have any questions or doubt, you should contact your Emergency Preparedness Director. Their names and phone numbers are in the news and views or on the Sun City website. Knowing how to turn off your utilities means you won't have to wait for help or suffer unnecessary loss. Remember, if you turn off your gas, electric, and/or water service, you should contact a licensed professional to restore your service. The water service shutoff to your house is normally located on the walkway leading up to your front door. There are two valve handles. The upper one shuts off the service to the house. The lower one turns off the irrigation system. If the valve handle is parallel in line with the water pipe, then the water is on. If the valve handle is perpendicular to the water pipe, the water is off. To turn the water service to your house off, turn the top handle 90 degrees. If you notice a water leak in your house, this is where you can turn off the water service to your home. Here is the service valve at the street. If you notice a water leak between the house and the street, this is where the water would have to be turned off. Water heaters are located in the garage. They hold 40 to 60 gallons of fresh water. Once the water service is shut off at the house, you can gain access to this water by turning the gas supply to the water heater off. The valve should be perpendicular to the pipe when off. Next, open the pressure relief valve on the top of the water heater tank. Then open the water drain at the bottom of the tank. There may be sediment in the first few gallons of water from the tank. A dish towel or clean t-shirt can be used to filter this water for use. When the water heater goes back into service after the emergency is over, be sure all valves are closed and have a licensed professional restore the gas supply. During a power outage, your garage door can be operated manually. Pull down on the red cord which disengages the automatic mechanism. You will then hear a click. Once the door is disengaged, you can lift the door. To restore the door's automatic system, pull the red cord back towards the motor. Again, you will hear a click. Golf cart doors are operated in exactly the same way. Gas meters are located outside your home. If at any time you smell gas, you should turn off your gas valve. There are several tools you can use. Here are two options. An adjustable wrench found in most home toolboxes. An earthquake survival tool. This tool can be purchased at the Sun City Post Office. This tool can also be attached to the gas meter for instant use. The gas valve is on the side of the gas meter. The gas valve is on when it is parallel to the gas pipe. To turn the gas off, turn the valve 1/4 turn. Gas is off when the valve is perpendicular to the pipe. Once you have shut off your gas, do not turn it back on. You must call the gas company and wait for them to re-establish your service. It is recommended that you locate the gas valve before an emergency. It is also recommended that you put red paint or fingernail polish on the face of this valve to make it easily visible. During a major earthquake, if you notice any sparking coming from electrical switches or outlets, you will want to shut off your main power switch located in the circuit breaker box on the side of your home. Be aware of any burning smell. Better to be safe than sorry. Locate the circuit breaker box on the outside of your home. Here is how to open this type of box. There are several different style boxes. Know how to open yours before an emergency happens. Inside the box, you'll find several smaller circuit breakers marked 15, 20, 30, or 40 amps. Those operate individual circuits in your home. The one you're looking for is the main circuit breaker labeled Service Disconnect 200 amp. Turn that switch off to shut off all power inside your home. If you had any burning, crackling, or sparking symptoms in your home, turn off power and seek the assistance of a professional electrician to diagnose the problem and restore the power. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful in locating your utility locations. In the event of a disaster, the emergency preparedness system will activate. Know where your district command posts are located. Volunteers are always needed and welcomed. Thank you.